Spicy chicken latte.
Okay, let's go. Dance. Nathan! Easiest meal takes like, what babe? 20 minutes to cook? Okay, let's dig in. Listen, I may not be the prettiest and I may not be the smartest, but I'm a damn good cook.
You are all of them, baby. Come on, don't even say that.
This guy. I just got finished cleaning the kitchen, putting away dinner. The cereal man, at it again. Never-
Cereal man.
Never ending eating dude.
I used to eat like 17 bowls of cereal a day. For real. Stay on train tracks, okay? I can't see. Yes.
Okay, be serious. Okay, we had a fun day, even though it was raining outside.
Great day. Got lots done today. I did the dishes, guys. I freaking did the dishes. Oh, and I loaded the laundry.
I'm so happy for you.
All right, guys. Peace.
Okay, bye.